This video all about Bank of Maharashtra SOHR online crash course. Want to start career as HR professional in banking sector and other government organizations? Then you are at the right place. Welcome to hrpreparation.com, leading and India's first e-learning portal for HR competitive exams. hrpreparation.com is one-stop solution for all kind of HR competitive exams. This video all about Bank of Maharashtra SOHR online crash course. With help of this video, you can understand the course structure, course content and great features. First of all, let's understand why this course is unique. In the market, others are providing common stuff and dumping everything for all kinds of exams like same and irrelated content. For PSU's exam, UGC NET, IBPS SOHR and other exam too, but syllabus and exam pattern is different. It's like mess and students need to search for required information which kills time. But our course is hassle-free and as per syllabus and well-organized content for each exam. It's perfectly customized course for your preparation. This course was designed by a group of experts who have rich experience in EdTech. 100% syllabus coverage with topic-wise test series, act-wise test series and study materials of professional knowledge. In this course, you can get huge content for reasonable price including question bank with more MCQs, more topic-wise test series, act-wise and code-wise test series, 10 model mocks and equal ratio of topic-wise eBooks. Many students are afraid of labor laws, but this course will help you to understand labor laws and codes easily as we simplified it with limited pages of study materials, and in act-wise and code test series, we covered every section, every chapter, every schedule and latest amendment. Let's look into course structure. This course with professional knowledge as per official notification. Professional knowledge with eBooks and test series with topic-wise, act-wise, model mocks and previous year solved papers with detailed explanations. Professional knowledge is given into units or sections and sections into topics and acts, so it will be easy to understand the concept. Here, sections are divided into individual topics and labor laws with eBooks and test series. Now let's look into topics. Each topic under section consists of ebook and test series. The motto is to understand the concept by reading study material and attempting the same test series. It's a comprehensive study material, but coming to labor laws and labor codes, it's concise materials, so you need not read whole act or code. Our limited pages of act or code can help you understand whole act or code. Each topic-wise or act-wise or code-wise test series having basic level to moderate level questions with detailed explanations. These test series will boost your subject knowledge from root level. There are 10 model mocks provided with detailed explanations. It's 100% as per exam pattern. Each and every question with detailed explanation and most expected and unique questions are given for practice. And previous year solved papers. Previous year questions are memory based and reconstructed. Key features of the course. 100% syllabus coverage of all topics from domain knowledge. This course is with domain knowledge and with all topics. Provided content in terms of study materials and test series are most updated. We provided huge content in terms of ebooks and test series. Huge MCQs bank will help you to practice more. Topic-wise, act-wise, code-wise will help you to understand subject or concept in detail. Model mocks will give real-time exam experience. One of the best features is we divided content into parts, sections and topics. Division of content will help you to reduce stress as you can pick up from order as per your priority without any hustle. Well-organized content will save you time and increase the confidence level in preparation. Many of the students are afraid of labor laws, but this course will help you to understand labor laws and code easily as we simplified it with limited pages of study materials, and in Act-wise and Code Test Series, we covered every section, every chapter, every schedule and latest amendments. There are 10 model mocks provided with detailed explanations. It's 100% as per exam pattern. Each and every question with detailed explanation and most expected and unique questions are given for practice. And previous year solved papers. All questions are memory based and reconstructed. Motto of previous year solved papers is to make you aware of question pattern, and questions may not be same as given in exam. Retake option is most useful option in test series. If you're attempting test for the first time, then it will show take test. After you attempt the test, it will show retake option and result option. If you want to see your result of latest attempted test, then click on result. But if you want to attempt same test again, then click on retake test so you can attempt test again and get updated result. You can retake same test without any limit. After test, you can check your performance with analytics. This self-performance tracker will help you to understand your performance and can understand where you are not performing well. You can know your rank among fellow students. You can see who got highest rank and your rank to improve. This video all about Bank of Maharashtra SOHR online crash course. What are you waiting for? Subscribe the course today and start preparing for your success. Check course link in the description.